Hello my dear children. Once again welcome back to the lecture series of ICSE 9th Maths. We started the chapter indices and we were doing the sums from Rs Aggarwal. In the previous video I have completed question number 1. Today I am going to start from question number 2. My name is 𝐒𝐿𝐵𝗲𝗏 and you are watching 𝐒𝐵𝗲 classes. Let's get started. Question number 2. The first sub question under question number 2 is 1 by 4 minus 2 minus 3 into 8 to the power 2 by 3 into 5 to the power 0 plus 9 by 16 to the power half. So let us write down the question again here. So here to the first part 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. So I am not writing the question again, it is already written over there. I am directly doing it, okay. So see, this is 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. First of all, we have to make the power positive. So we can write it as 4 upon 1 to the power 2. We know that a by b to the power minus 1 is equal to b by a to the power 1. Okay. Minus 3 into, so minus 3 into 8 can be written as 2 to the power cube and that whole to the power 2 by 3 is there. Into 5 to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 we know that is 1. Plus 9 by 16. So that can be written as 3 square and 16 can be written as 4 square. This whole thing to the power 1 by 2 is there. Okay. Now this will be 4 can be written as 2 square, that whole to the power 2 minus 3 into, this will be 2 to the power 3 into 2 by 3. A to the power m whole to the power n is a to the power mn into 1 plus this will be 3 to the power 2 into half divided by 4 to the power 2 into half. Okay, I use the same formula. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Now here it will be 2 to the power 2 into 2, that's 4 minus 3 into, here 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 2 square into 1 plus 3 to the power 2 and 2 gets cancelled 1 divided by, here also 2 and 2 gets cancelled, this is 4 to the power 1. So here we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that's 16 minus 3 into 4 plus 3 by 4, which is 16 minus 12 plus 3 by 4. Now you can take LCM and do all together, or else 16 minus 12 will give you 4. So it is 4 plus 1 by 4. Now take the LCM as 4. 4 into 4 is 16 plus 1. So that is 17 by 4. So now you can give the answer, since it is, the question is given in fraction. So you can give the answer in mixed fraction. Okay, so it will be 4 whole 1 by 4. So this is the answer for the first question of second one. First sub question of second one. I hope everyone understood. I did all the steps, steps step by step so that you understand nicely. So let us move on to the next question. So we start the second sub question of the second one. So the second sub question is 1 by 4 whole root. So this can be written as 1 by 4 to the power half. You know that root means it is whole to the power half. Plus 0.01, I will write it as 1 upon 100. I remove the point. 0.01 can be written as 1 upon 100 to the power minus half, it is given. Minus to 27. 27 can be written as 3 to the power cube and that whole to the power 2 by 3 into 3 to the power 0, which can be written as 1. In the next step I will be writing it, okay. So now this is 1 to the power half and 4 can be written as 2 square to the power half. Plus this is 1 upon, it is minus half. So first I will write 100 upon 1 and will make the power positive, that is 1 by 2 minus 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3 into, this is 1 now, okay. Now this is 1 to the power half is 1. This will be 2 to the power 2 into half plus 100 can be written as 10 square by 1 whole to the power half minus, here 3 and 3 gets cancelled, 3 square into 1. Okay. Next will be here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So it is 1 by 2 to the power 1, that's 2 only. Plus this is 10 square into half divided by 1 to the power half is 1 minus 3 squared is 9 into 1. So now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This is half. We are getting half from here plus. This is 10 to the power 1 upon 1. So that's 10 only. And minus 9 into 1 is 9. So we can see 10 minus 1, 9 is 1. So we'll first do this part. Half plus 1. Half plus 1 means 3 by 2. If you take the LCM, or you can directly write down 1 and half. So the answer is 1 and half. This answer also I kept in fraction. You can keep in point also, because in this question you have fraction also, point also. So either you can leave the answer as 1 and half, or you can leave the answer as 1.5. Both answers will be acceptable. Right? Let us move on to the third question. Third question, the first part. It's 81 upon 16. Okay, I am not writing the question, sorry. I'll be directly doing the sum. 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4. So it is 3 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 4. 16 is 2 to the power 4. And this whole to the power we have 3 upon 4 into 25 upon 9. There is a bracket here. Now 25 upon 9 can be written as 5 square upon 3 square. This whole to the power we have 3 by 2 divided by, now we have 5 by 2 to the power minus 3. So to make the exponent positive, I'll be writing as 2 by 5 and then it will be 3. The exponent becomes positive here. Now this will be 3 to the power 4 into 3 by 4. A to the power n whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Okay. I keep on reminding you the properties. 3 upon 4 into here 5 square into 3 by 2 divided by 3 square into 3 by 2, and here you have 2 upon 2 to the power cube and 5 to the power cube. I am keeping it as it is, not disturbing anything. Now this is 4 and 4 gets cancelled, 4 and 4 gets cancelled, 3 by 2, 3 cube by 2 cube we have into this side 2 and 2 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. So this is 5 cube upon 3 cube divided by 2 cube upon 5 cube. Okay. Now I don't do anything. I keep this as it is, 3 cube upon 2 cube, because I have to use the formula properties of exponent. Now here I can see this is 5 cube, this is 5 cube, and there is a division in between. So what I'll write, I'll use the exponents formula. 5 to the power 3 minus 3. We know a to the power m divided by b to the power m, a to the power n. Sorry, the bases are same. I mean, I am using this formula. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So here it is 5 to the power cube divided by 5 to the power cube. So that is 5 to the power 3 minus 3. And this is there. Apart from that, we have 3 to the power cube here, and we have divided by 2 to the power cube here. These two I am not doing anything, right? I have to rub the previous part, this part. Okay. So now this is coming 3 cube upon 2 cube. Now 5 to the power 0 it is, anything to the power 0 is 1. So we are getting here, there is a multiplication sign. Here we are getting 1 divided by 3. This is actually 1 upon 3 cube divided by 2 cube. Nothing is there, means 1. Now the next step, 3 cube upon 2 cube, I keep on writing as it is. Now for the division I will do 1 upon 3 cube. We will put a multiplication sign and then we will reciprocate this. So this will become 1 upon 2 cube. Okay. So now everything is multiplied. I will remove the bracket and we will use the property of exponent. I will rub this part. Okay. So now I am getting that this is equal to 3 cube. Now see 3 cube and 3 cube, these two. Again the bases are same, powers has to be subtracted because it is in division form. So 3 to the power 3 minus 3, and here I get 2 cube and 2 cube. Bases are same and they are in multiplication form. So the powers has to be added, 3 plus 3. So this is 3 to the power 0 divided by 2 to the power 6. So 1 upon 2 to the power 6. You can keep the answer this way, or you can multiply 2 6 times and leave the answer. Okay. So that was your first sub question of the third one. Now second question is 64 to the power 2 by 3. So we know that 4 cube is 64. So I wrote 4 cube to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power minus 2. So that has to be taken down. So the exponent becomes positive, divided by 7 to the power 0 divided by 7 to the power 0 is 1. And this whole thing to the power 1 by 2. Okay. Now this is 4 cube into 2 by 3 into 1 upon 2 square into this I reciprocate, and after reciprocating also you have 1 by 1. So 1 upon 2. So now this is 3 and 3 gets cancelled. This is 4 square into 1 by 2 square. This whole thing to the power 1 by 2. 4 square can be written as 2 square the square, and this is divided by 2 square actually, and this whole thing is to the power half. So this becomes 2 to the power 4 upon 2 square. This whole thing is to the power half. Okay, I'll rub this part. So here it is 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 2 divided by 2 square. This is 2, so it is coming 2 to the power square upon 2 to the power square. Again apply the properties of indices. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is a to the power m minus n. So that comes 2 to the power 0, that comes 1. So 1 is the answer for the second sub question of the third one. So you understand that in every step I am using the properties of indices, which is very much important. You can do the sum skipping some steps also, but I have shown you all the steps so that you can use the properties of indices as much as possible. Let us move on to the next question, question number 4. Okay, so we are moving on to the question number 4. Question number 4, the first part, sub questions, that is 81 to the power 3 by 4. So 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 3 by 4 minus 1 by 32 to the power minus 2 by 5. So first I will make the exponent positive. So I will write 32 upon 1 whole to the power 2 by 5. The exponent becomes positive, plus 8 to the power 1 by 3. 8 can be written as 2 cube and that whole to the power 1 by 3 into half to the power minus 1. Again I will do the same thing. I will write 2 by 1 to the power. The exponent will become positive into 2 to the power 0 into 2 to the power 0 is 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Now here it will be 3 to the power 4 into 3 by 4 minus 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. So it is 2 to the power 5 into 2 by 5 divided by 1 to the power 2 by 5 plus this will be 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 into anything to the power 1 is that particular thing, so that is 2 into this is 1. Now 4 and 4 gets cancelled. This is 3 to the power cube minus here 5 and 5 gets cancelled, 2 to the power 2, 1 to the power anything is 1 plus here 3 and 3 gets cancelled, so it is only 2 to the power 1, that's 2. 2 into 2 into 1 is gone. Okay, so now this is 3 into 3 into 3, that's 27 minus 2 square is 4 plus 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled and we get the answer as 27. So this is the answer for the first sub question of question number 4. Hope you all are understanding. You can do the sum on your own now and check it from here. Question of question number 4. 16 by 81. So 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4, 81, 3 to the power 4 and this whole thing to the power minus 3 by 4. I'm sorry, first I'll make the indices positive. So first I'll be writing it as, I will be writing as 81 upon 16. 81 upon 16 and I make the indices positive, that is 3 upon 4. Next is into 49 upon 9 whole to the power 3 by 2. So 49 can be written as 7 square, 9 can be written as 3 square and this thing whole to the power 3 by 2 is there, divided by 343 upon 216 whole to the power 2 by 3. 343 can be written as 7 cube, 216 can be written as 6 cube, and that whole to the power 2 by 3 is there. If you don't know the cube or square of any number, you can do prime factorization and find it. Okay, I remember few of them, so I am doing it directly. You can do the prime factorization and find it. Okay, so now 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4, 16 is 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 3 by 4 into, this is 7 square into 3 by 2 divided by 3 square into 3 by 2. Okay, divided by, here it is 7 cube into 2 by 3 divided by 6 cube into 2 by 3. Now this will be 3 to the power 4 into 3 by 4. I could have done it directly also, but as I told you that I am doing all the steps so that nothing is missed. Here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so it's 7 to the power cube and 3 to the power cube divided by 3 cancel, 3 cancel, so it is 7 to the power 2 divided by 6 to the power 2. Okay, now this is 4 and 4 gets cancelled, 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 3 to the power cube, 2 to the power cube into 7 to the power cube, 3 to the power cube. In place of division, I put a multiplication sign, I will reverse it. While reversing, I am writing 6, in place of 6 I am writing 2 into 3, that whole to the power 2 divided by 7 square. Okay, as I told you that I could have used 6 square also, but I am using the properties of indices as much as possible. So in place of 6 I wrote 2 into 3 and that whole to the power 2 is there. Okay, now from here you are getting, I'll do it here, 3 cube divided by 2 cube into 7 cube upon 3 cube into, this is 2 square into 3 square. This is which formula I have used? AB to the power m is equal to A to the power m into B to the power n. This property I have used here. 2 into 3 to the power square is 2 square into 3 square and divided by I have 7 square. Okay, now just isolate where the bases are same. So I will take 3 to the power cube, 3 to the power square and 3 to the power cube together. 2 square and 2 cube together, 7 cube and 7 square together, and I will be using the properties of indices again. Let me drop this part. Okay, so here bases are same, powers has to be multiplied. So in the numerator I have 3 to the power 3 plus 2 for these two and divided by 3 cube is there. I am not doing it right now. 7 cube and 7 square, they are in division form, so I will write 7 to the power 3 minus 2 into 2 square and 2 3 to the power cube are in division form, so I will write 2 square minus 3 to the power 2 minus 3. Okay, now here I get 3 to the power 5 upon 3 to the power cube. Here I get 7 to the power 1 and here I get 2 to the power minus 1. Right, now this is again 3 to the power 5 minus 3 into 7 and I will make this indices positive, so I will take 2 down, so it is 2 to the 1 by 2 to the power 1. So finally here I get 3 square into 7 into 1 by 2. 3 square is 9, so 9 into 7 upon 2 it is, so that is 63 by 2. Now since, I'll just rub this part so that there is no confusion. Okay, now since the question in the question we have in fraction form, so we can keep it this way, but we'll just convert it into the mixed fraction. 2, 3, 2, 1, 31 whole 1 by 2. So this is the answer for the second part of fourth question. Okay. Since you have understood how to do the sums, you can just do the sums on your own, pausing the video and then get the answer checked from the video. Let us do the first question. So the first part is 64 upon 125 to the power minus 2 by 3. So my first job is to convert the indices into the positive one. So I'll make it 125 upon 64 and my indices become 2 by 3 positive. Now divided by 1 upon 256 to the power 1 by 4 and 625 to the power 1 by 4. So 256, if I do the prime factors, if I do it by 4, 4, 6 and then 4, 4 and then 4, 1, 2, 4, 6, 4, 4 and 4, 1. I write it as 4 to the power 4 because I have 1 by 4. So clearly 4 and 1 by 4 will get cancelled. So I am writing 4 to the power 4. I could have taken it as prime factors. I mean, I could have divided it by 2 also, but purposely I have divided by 4 because I wanted to take 4 to the power 4 so that 4 and 1 by 4 gets cancelled, you know. So that is why I'll be writing it as 4 to the power 4, and 625 is 5 to the power 4, and this whole thing to the power 1 by 4 is there. Plus. Now check it here. We have root 25 divided by cube root of 64 whole to the power 0. Now anything to the power 0 is 1. So directly I don't do there anything and I just write down 1 for it. Okay. So now here 125 can be written as 5 cube. 64 can be written as 4 cube. This whole thing to the power 2 by 3 divided by, this is 1 upon, I do the calculation as 1 upon only 4 to the power 4 into 1 by 4 and divided by 5 to the power 4 into 1 by 4, this thing plus 1. So now this is 5 cube into 2 by 3 and this is 4 cube into 2 by 3 and divided by this 4 gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled, which is 1 upon 4 to the power 1, that's 4, 5 to the power 1, that's 5 plus 1. Now in the next step, this 3 gets cancelled, so it's 5 square upon 4 square divided by, now here 1 upon 4 by 5 means it is 5 upon 4, so I write 5 upon 4 plus 1. Now since 5 square, now first I'll remove the division sign, I'll make it 4 upon 5 plus 1. So as per the BODMAS rule, first we do the multiplication. So first I'll do this part and then I will add 1 to it. Now just erase the first part so that I can do it here. Yes. So now this is, you can see 5 square divided by 5. So the powers can be subtracted 2 minus 1. 5 to the power 2 minus 1. 4 to the power 1 divided by 4 to the power square. Again the powers can be subtracted. So it is 4 to the power 1 minus 2. 4 to the power 1 minus 2. Nothing is there, means power is 1. 1 minus 2 and then plus is there. Plus 1. So this is 5 to the power 2 minus 1, that's 1. Into 4 to the power 1 minus 2, that's minus 1 plus 1. So it is 5 into 1 by 4, plus 1. Now I'll do this multiplication which gives me 5 upon 4 plus 1. Now I'll take the LCM. 4 is the LCM, so I get 5 plus 4, that's 9 by 4. Again we can see the question is given in fractions, so I'll give my answer in fraction. 4 upon 9 is 4 to 8, 1 upon 4. 2 whole 1 upon 4 is the answer for the first sub question of the fifth one. Okay, let us do the next second question of the fifth one. So the first thing is 32 to the power 2 by 5. So 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 by 5 is there, into 1 by 4 to the power minus 2, 4 to the power minus 2. So I'll make the indices positive. I'll write 1 by 4 to the power half, indices become positive, into 8 to the power 1 by 3. So 8 can be written as 2 cube and this whole to the power 1 by 3. Divided by 2 to the power minus 2, make the power positive, 1 by 2 to the power 2, and then divided by 64 to the power 1 minus 1 by 3. So that is 1 upon 64 to the power 1 by 3. Now this will become 2 to the power 5 into 2 by 5 into, this is 1 to the power 2 half divided by 2 square and that whole to the power half, into, this is 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. This is the numerator. Now divided by the denominator, this is 1 square divided by the 2 square divided by, this is 1 to the power 1 by 3 and 64 can be written as 4 cube, that whole to the power 1 by 3, that is there. Okay. Now in the next step, 5 and 5 gets cancelled. 2 to the power 2 in the numerator into 1 to the power half is 1 and this is 2 to the power squared into 1 by 2 and into your 3 and 3 gets cancelled, 2 to the power 1, that is 2. Divided by, the denominator will be 1 squared, that is 1, divided by 2 squared, that is 4, divided by 1 to the power 1 by 3, that's 1, 4 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 8. Now this is 2 squared is 4 into, this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, this is 1 by 2 into 2. Okay, now this 2 square I can write as, 4 I can write as 2 square. I am writing it as 2 square so that I can use maximum properties of indices. So 2 square into 1 by 2 into 2. Down I have 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4. Here I did not write 2 square because both of them are 4, so I have not done anything here. Okay, so now here I can use the indices formula. 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 1 is the numerator, and 2 to the power 1, this one is at the denominator. So I am directly doing it now. 2 to the power 2 plus 1, this 2 plus 1 should be added, and this minus 1, because it is in division form, so it will be minus 1. Down I have 1 by 4 into, this will be 4 by 1. Or you can directly take 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4. Both of them are having power 1 and they are in division form. Okay, let me take the property of indices here also. So basically the base is 1 by 4 and the power is 1. Nothing is written, means 1, and there is division. So I can write 1 by 4. The power has to be subtracted, 1 minus 1. Okay, let me rub this part. So here I get 2, this 1 and 1 gets cancelled. So here I get 2 to the power 2 divided by 1 by 4 to the power 0. 1 by 4 to the power 0. 2 to the power 2 is 4 and anything to the power 0 is 1. So finally the answer is 4. Okay, so today we have covered the question number 3, 2 sub-questions from 3, 4, 2 sub-questions of 4 and 2 sub-questions from 5. Here today in this video we have covered till question number 5. In the next video I'll come up with from question number 6. If you're finding these videos are beneficial for you, please subscribe the channel and press the like button. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.